What's up, y'all? Welcome to the vlog. It's Cora.
And Zay.
What's up, y'all? Anyways, it is nighttime. It is currently 7:41, as y'all can see up on the TV right there. The girls are playing. I can't show Nora and Ray right now because they were just using the potty, and now I gotta put them some pants on. But baby K I don't know what she's doing, y'all. Come here, show me your hat. But yeah, so Babe was just out in nature. How's it feel outside, babe?
I feel good, but I feel like the kids can't go out there.
Yeah, that's still a little, and it's a little dirty still from earlier. The rain. Let me see. Ooh.
I got a just one look.
It
matched this. Let's go.
Say hi, Waddy.
Hi. And I got the bow red on. Look. A bow red on.
Oh, I see. But yeah, y'all. So we're just chilling. I could show Nora's face, but I can't show her completely. Say hi.
Look.
I see you. So yeah, we're just chilling, y'all. I'm gonna take y'all outside for a minute. I'll be right back, y'all. Take y'all another walk for a second. I don't like how our room looks yellow. Like, and then you come out here, it's like so clear. But yeah, keep pushing. No matter how hard life gets, always know that you can do whatever you want to do, no matter what. Don't let nobody stop you from pushing your peace and pushing your mind to do what you please and what you want to accomplish and conquer in life. You could conquer anything you want in life. I feel like it could be hard, it could be easy, it could be tough, it could be rough. Like, no matter what you want to do in life, it's going to take time and effort, believe me. The time and effort is what's going to be what you need to really mainly focus on. If that makes sense, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just speaking. But yeah. But y'all, it's so beautiful. I don't know if I want to say it's beautiful or it's just messy out here, but it's wet and icky and, you know. But hopefully tomorrow is nice because I want to bring the girls out. And we ain't been out in like 2 or 3 days, so I want to bring them out. Yeah, so also, I don't know what else we got planned tonight, y'all, but whatever we have planned, we would definitely keep y'all stay tuned so y'all know what we're doing next or whatever. But like I said, I had to go and check on my clothes downstairs. I had to wash a load of clothes today because me and Zay had nothing to wear. Plus, we had to go to the doctor Thursday, so we need some clothes for Thursday. But the girls had nothing to wear, so I had to put some clothes downstairs in the washer. They're already hanging up, drying now. They've been there for about 4 hours, 3-4 hours now, so it should be, you know, drying up a little bit. But they'll be dry by tomorrow. But yeah, so I had to do that. But I'm gonna just go ahead and get off here, and we'll be back. We will be back shortly. I see you. Zay, I see you. But yeah, y'all. So we will catch you later. Welcome back, y'all. Sorry for coming in on a video late. This is the same video. Welcome back. Hope you guys are enjoying it so far. We are going to be ending it very soon. But first, I want to say thank you so much for tuning in and staying up to date with our videos and content. We really appreciate you guys. Also, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that big old red button up there. Subscribe. Hit the post notification bell. Stay motivated. Stay positive. Don't lean for nobody else to do what you have to do. Do it yourself. Make sure you can get everything done. Be your own person and stay who you are. Sorry, guys. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Hopefully, you guys stay motivated. Keep on pushing hard. Don't let nothing stop you from doing what you want to do. Keep your passion going. Keep your goals flowing. And don't give up. Everybody's in this together. We're all trying to live life the same. We're all trying to be good people and do what we have to in life to make sure everything is good. But yeah, so just stay who you are as a person and stay beautiful. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. With that being said, We'll catch y'all in the next video. Stay tuned.